Alright guys, today is the day I'm either getting my phone fixed or replaced, so I'm super happy about this because as you guys know, my mute switch stopped working on my phone. And also I'm going to see if I can get my Apple Watch fixed or replaced or whatever because as you guys know in yesterday's video, there's like a dot on the screen, like a puncture dot. I don't even know what it is, but yeah, hopefully I can get that fixed as well. They could take a look at it, see what's going on. If that's normal, then I guess that's normal, but it really shouldn't be normal. Hopefully I can get them both replaced so I just get fresh new like products. Nothing wrong with them. So yeah, I don't want to go there and be like, all right, here you go. And they're going to be like, all right, yeah, we're gonna, you can pick it up in like a week or two and we'll have it ready for you. The iPhone should not be doing that and the Apple Watch should not be doing that. So just give me a new one straight up. But yeah, hopefully everything goes smoothly and planned because I'm driving 5 hours to get there, 2.5 hours there, 2.5 hours back. So I'll keep you updated on what's going to happen throughout the day. But yeah, let's go. It's like 9:30. I want to be sleeping right now. Forgot to mention that I don't have a mic on this camera, so it's probably going to sound completely like trash, so sorry about that. Probably sounds so freaking bad. I'm sorry. I apologize, but you just got to work with me in this video because, you know, don't have a mic, so what can I do? So anyways, I'm going to be a little bit late probably, which is not a good thing. So, also, imagine if my car didn't even start. Okay, anyways, got the 2 Apple boxes just in case. They're like, yo, we're going to need the Apple boxes. I'm going to take the accessories out. You already know what it is because I'm going to do that. Let's get going, guys. I'm a vlogger now. Hi guys, I'm here. Okay, you can go ahead. Oh my god. Okay, I need to find a parking spot. I'm actually 10 minutes late to my appointment, so that's perfect. And this place is super hard to find parking, so I'm probably gonna be 15 minutes late. So hopefully I didn't drive down to Phoenix for absolutely nothing. Can I even go this way? Okay, we're gonna go this way anyways. Oh, okay. Perfect. I could probably get pulled over for this easy. I went up to park in the parking garage, dude. God damn. Complimentary. Oh, hell yeah. Let's get in here. Alright, guys. Oh my god. Oh, my camera's probably gonna fall again, but I always thought this was, like, this cost some money to park here, but I guess not. Oh my god. Come on, man. Okay. Oh, there's a spot right here. Let's go, baby. Oh my god, I almost hit that car. Holy my god. Okay. I think we could just chill. I think we could just whip out. Let's go. I have an appointment at 11:45. I'm late though.
45?
Yeah. Jared?
Sorry, there were multiple black shirt, gray pants. So I was like, I'm gonna test this one. All right, what's up, Jared? I'm Michael.
Nice to meet you.
How are you, brother? What's going on?
So on my phone, it's like the mute switch is like not in. You have to feel it to like know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
It's like hard to switch.
Okay. I see. It is like indented almost.
Yeah.
What happened?
I have no idea.
I have no idea. All right. Weird.
Yeah.
Okay. If you could unlock it, which phone is that?
So I paused it for one quick reason. This guy works at Apple and he doesn't even know what phone it is. Like, what do you mean? You should know what phone it is, dude. 10s Max.
It's like brand new.
Yeah.
When did you get it?
When it came out.
Like how many days ago? How'd you buy it?
Through Apple.com.
Like through your carrier or like full price or like
Full price.
Give me a moment.
Okay.
So, if you're okay with it, I'd actually like to just get you the phone.
I mean, perfect.
Yeah. So, do you happen to have a receipt for that phone?
Online, I might. Yeah. It's never happened to me before.
Well, it's good. It shouldn't ever happen.
I also have another problem with my Apple Watch, actually. It's very hard to notice here's a picture. I took a picture of it. A little dot, but it's hard to see. Like,
Is that a new watch?
yeah, this is the Series 4.
Dude, like, what's up with you getting like?
I don't know exactly. You can only see it.
I can't even see it.
Yeah, you can only see it if there's like light shining directly on it. But like, there's like dots like everywhere around it, and like.
Let's see. Not like I don't believe you. I just want to see this for myself because I haven't seen any of it.
Thank you. Yeah, as you can see, right there.
I do. I see it right there.
Yeah.
Jared, this is Justin. He's just like honestly one of my other colleagues. I wanted to just have a second eye at, and then you can see in the picture. When I like first saw it, like, I couldn't see it right away, but like there was like almost like a bump.
Yeah, I can kind of see the light hitting off of it in two different ways.
And he was wondering like, is that debugged? Is that part of the watch? Like,
It doesn't seem like it should be. I think we have one display.
check it out. I'd like to. We had just the right angle over here that I actually saw it really well.
Yeah.
Pull up the receipt for me. Let's swap out this guy. Thank you. All right. We're gonna get this one turned on.
Sure.
While you're doing that, let me go and just reference my repair technicians and see what they think we should do. Because if it's something like, once again, it's like this close to the warranty, I might like get it swapped out for you. So
Thank you.
be right back.
All right.
When did you buy the watch? The same time as you bought the phone?
Yeah. Same day.
Easier way right now, being that your watch is less than 30 days old, would be to have Best Buy swap it.
Okay.
Saying that, hey, like, there's a defect in the display. I don't know how they would.
Thing is, I don't know if they'll have that in stock because it was a pretty hard one to get. I think it's still like
Oh,
delayed.
yeah. So I was like, it's definitely like, for right now, I mean, I would definitely, it's up to you. Anyone.
The lighting is terrible in here, first of all. Got a new phone, so that's a good thing. The switch actually works now, which is also a good thing. So yeah, that's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted to happen. I did ask him about my Apple Watch, and he's never seen that before either. So thing is though, that I don't think they have any in the store, so they can't give me a new one. And also, I didn't actually buy it. I forgot I bought it from Best Buy. I totally forgot it. I thought I got it from Apple. So I'm gonna have to go to Best Buy right now and see if they have any, which I highly doubt it. And if they don't have any, for me to like swap them out, because most likely they'll just give me a new one to swap it out. If they don't have that one, then I have to come back here and they have to send it to Apple, and most likely they'll just send me a new one. That's unfortunate because I won't have an Apple Watch for like 7 days. Or that's what he said, like 7 or something days. So the camera's gonna die like literally in a couple seconds, but just went to Best Buy. I thought I recorded in my conversation with this guy, but I didn't. So basically they said that they can't do anything about it because it's been 14 days and they technically can't do anything about it, which is BS. It's defective and it doesn't matter if it's been 14 days. They should just give me a freaking new one. But he's like, nope, can't do anything about it. Sorry. Terrible customer service. 1 out of 5 stars. So anyways, gonna go back to the Apple store. Probably can't record any other footage because my camera's literally blinking at me. He's like, yo, you better turn me off or else I'm gonna turn off by myself. So gotta go to the Apple store, see what's good. Alright guys, so today is the next day. Pretty much guys, as you guys know in the video, got a brand new phone, which is a good thing. That's exactly what I wanted to happen with this. Because if they like repaired it or something like that, it could have happened again or something like that. Or like, I don't know, I just was worried about the repair part because something could always go wrong. But if you get a brand new phone, most of the time it's gonna be chill. It's gonna be perfect. So the Switch actually works, which I'm really happy about. For the Apple Watch, as you guys know, don't have the Apple Watch on me right now. That's pretty much what they said, is like they're getting repaired and it should take like probably around 7 days for me to get it back, which is kind of unfortunate, but there's like no Apple Watch Series 4 Gold anywhere in my area. Like they're all sold out everywhere. So there's nothing really I could do with that. That's what kind of sucks. Dock can get like worse and worse by time, so I wanted to take care of it as soon as possible. So everything was free. I didn't have to pay for anything. So let me know if you guys like these vlogs, because this was really fun for me to make, like an edit and stuff like that. So it adds a lot more entertaining aspects, I feel like, and I just like it's a lot more fun to edit and make. So yeah, let me know if you guys want more vlogs and stuff like that. You guys, also, if you have any of these problems with your phone or your Apple Watch, make sure to bring it to the Apple Store and they'll give you a new one. If they have it if they have it in stock, most likely they'll just swap it out for you. So if you have those bubbles in or puncture dots or whatever you would like to call them, if you have those on your Apple Watch, make sure to go to the Apple Store and get that taken care of as soon as possible, because who knows, that might get worse and worse by time, and that would suck when it's like too late for you to do anything about it. They're like, oh no, it's been too late, so we can't do anything about it. So make sure to take care of that as soon as possible. And if you guys like this video, please drop a like and subscribe, guys. It was for the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.